Welcome back. Now, we just talked about headlines before this. Subheadings are equally important. Google gives more importance to headlines and subheadings than the content itself. Using subheadings in the right way also helps you get on page 1 of Google. Besides, of course, it helps you increase conversions. So there are different ways you can use subheadings. One of them is you can use a subheading that elaborates the main headline. For example, if your main headline is 5 ways to remove mold, then the subheading can be related to it helps you sell your house fast, right? So this is not a complete headline or a subheading, but this is to give you an idea that if your headline is one thing, then the subheading can mention the benefit of your headline. You know, how to clean Oriental rug? Subheading, make it look and smell new. So the subheading is emphasizing on the importance of headline even more. Now, one of the major benefits of using subheadings is that you can use it multiple times in the same article. Not the same subheading, but what I mean is you can have a subheading, let's say above every single main key point or every single paragraph and so forth. It can be in the form of a bullet point. For example, here's a screenshot from a landing page from a website that provides water damage restoration services. So as you can see, instead of having paragraph after paragraph that people may not even read, if you add a subheading, then you know exactly what the paragraph is about, number one. Number two, people don't even need to read the entire paragraph. See, the paragraph can help your website rank high, while the subheading can be answering objections or problems of your potential customers, which will then help you increase the conversion rate from the landing pages. So while people read these subheadings, you know, this one talks about restoration of property and contents, dry out of property and structure, restoration and renovation of contents. So this is good enough for people to know that this particular company also provide restoration for contents, insurance claim support. Okay, so they must provide some kind of support to claim our insurance. People don't need to read word to word to find that out. So while the content, the paragraph is helping this website rank high in Google, the subheading is actually helping increase the closing rate, increase the conversion rate from the website itself. So you can have subheadings as a part of the landing page, which can be either related to key phrases from related searches, or people also ask, or Google suggestions, or answering people's objections, right? There's many different ways you can add subheadings to the articles or blog posts that you write. And don't forget, when it comes to call to action, you can simply have a subheading that says, get in touch. And then below that, you can write something like, get in touch with us today, or call us today to find more, or call us today to schedule your free estimate or free inspection or free consultation, or call us today to get an extra 25% off. So the subheading is something that's helping you increase the conversion rate once again. The subheading can be 20% off today, and then you can write 2 sentences below that saying, hey, from 1st to the 15th of this month, we have an extra 20% off. Give us a call today for details, and so forth. So subheadings on your landing pages are very important. So make sure now that you are writing content or having it written from somebody else, make sure there's headlines and subheadings or subheadlines in your landing pages. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.